Hi guys, today I'll be talk about this thing that how we can speak. I'll tell you everything that how we can speak in a proper way, how we can speak in English, how we can talk with the stranger. Because every person want to speak in English, it's necessary. Without English, we can't imagine our future. Then I'll be clear everything step by step. Please give me some respite because I'm also new here. I have no idea about how I can tell people, and I didn't make any video related to this thing in my whole life. So that's why please give me some respite. So I'll tell you everything. I'm also new here. I have no idea. I can talk little bit, not well. I'm also beginner. I'm also learning. But first of all, I'll say that if I can speak, then you can speak also. And let's start with me. And first, I'll say that I'll introduce myself. That who I am. I'm Yuvraj, and I'm also living in a village, and you can say that I'm also learning. First of all, I'll say you that I said you that I told you about this thing that I'm also learning, I'm also new, I'm also beginner. If I can speak, yeah, you can speak also. So if you want to speak, if you don't have any idea that how you can speak, how you can talk with people in English, but you like this, like i i I would like talk with pupils in English. So it's depend on you how you can learn. You have a need of practice, you have a need of grammar, you have a need of all things related to English. If you will be go anywhere, if you will be go any coaching, then they will be say you like we can learn you in 2 and 3 months. They can, and some guys say that we can teach you in a 15 days. So it's not possible. We have a need of a long time. We can learn, but not some days. We have a need of a long time, because after that we can understand step by step how we can use the skills, how we can use the vocabulary, different type of word meanings in our English. So that's why I'll tell you, it depend only you. And first of all, you should be start, if you are beginner, you should be start to grammar. Because without grammar you can't speak, because it's not our mother tongue. Yeah, my mother tongue also Hindi. I can speak in Hindi and I love Hindi. And after this video, I'll also speak in Hindi with everyone, because I'm also living in a village. Everyone speak here in Hindi. Nobody not can't speak in English, and I'm also suffering this problem. I'm also finding a new friend. With him I could talk for a long time, because I wanna practice. And till now I didn't talk with anyone in English. But if I'll be get any chance, then I must be give my best. I'll be try my best, because if I'll be practice more and more, if I'll be talk with anyone, then I can understand what I'm mistake doing now. So if I'll be a like if I'll be work on my mistake, if I'll be work on my weakness, then I must be can improve. So I'll tell everything, because if you'll be go anywhere, if you'll be go any interview, if you'll be go for any job, then they will be ask you, tell me something about you, please introduce yourself. Then if you don't know that, if you don't know English and you will be introduced there by the Hindi, so they will be think wrong about you. But they will be not think about that you are an intelligent boy, you have a lot of knowledge. But if you can't understand, if you can't speak in English, then they will be reject you. So that's why I'm also saying about English necessary. We can't imagine our future without English. So let's begin with this topic, that how we can speak. And first of all, it should be like you should be improve your grammar. Like if you heard about 12 type of sentence, I'm just talking about sentence. If you can understand, then first of all you learn sentence. After that, it should be try by yourself. If you like, if you have any partner who can speak in English, then you should be practice with him, because after that you can speak. I haven't know any partner, so that's why I am also making this video for my improvement. Because if I'll be start this way, then I'll be think if if everybody tell me about that at this moment I am also doing this mistake, then I'll be think and I'll be work on my mistake. Every time I think that next time I'll be give my best, because if every time I'll be think now I'm best, I will no need any improvement, then how I can learn, how I can tell anybody. So first of all I'll tell you, if you wanna speak, if you wanna I'm just talking about anyway, if you wanna go anywhere, it doesn't matter whatever you want to do in your future, whatever you want to do, it doesn't matter. And if you will be go any area, then you have a lot of need of practice, you have a need of teacher. Yeah, I can say that if you have a teacher, then you can learn by the teacher. But teacher, yeah, teacher can tell you about this thing, that you should be follow this thing, you should be learn this by this, you should be learn by this thing, you can do, you can you can read word meanings, you can read vocabulary, by this you can improve, you can speak fluently. So all and all I can say that, yeah, teacher can tell you about this thing, that how you can learn, but you will be do by yourself. So why are you talking about again and again about this thing, that should be practice more and more? Because practice makes a man perfect. Because many time I'm also facing this problem. My like I my tongue is lisping. My tongue lisp because I'm also new here. I have no idea about how I can tell people, how I can talk with pupils in English. I'm also facing this problem. I also tell you, but after some time, please give me some respite, because I'm also new here. I'll tell you everything about this, like how, why I'm learning, why I'm telling, why I'm making this video, because I have no any idea. I have no any idea that how I can improve. But when I watched related to this thing, that how I can improve, because I am really impressed to Alina Rice. If you heard about it, it's a YouTuber, and she makes a video on YouTube related to vlog you can say that, and it's a make video related to English speaking. I'm really impressed to her. And if you heard Guru Gopal Das, I'm really impressed, because he is he and she, I'm just talking about both are. Whenever you can see, I'm talking now Guru Gopal Das. Whenever you will be see him video, then you can say that they are like he's using different vocabulary in him every video. So it will be difficult for beginners. The first of all I'll say that if you wanna talk with someone else, if you wanna tell everyone, then should be use normal English, because they can understand properly. If you will be use different vocabulary and different word meaning, then how can understand, how they can understand? So that's why I'm also telling about this, I'm also talking about this thing. And after some time I'll be use vocabulary, I'll be use word meaning, because I'm also new, I'm also making, it's my first video. First of, because I also told that I will no video, I didn't make any video related to this thing in my whole life. It's my first video. But I'm really curious for this thing, that if I'll be making video, then I'll be upload, or I'll be must be upload on YouTube. You can see there, you can see here, we can say that if it will be upload. So, and now I how I can tell you about this thing, that all and all you say, I can say that if you wanna go, if you wanna follow my instruction as a brother, as a friend, then I'll tell you, if you wanna speak, if you don't have idea, then how we can speak, how you can speak. Then first of all you will be clear your sentences, and after that I'll be talk about everyone, about everything, that how we can speak. I'll clear everything step by step. So first of all you have a need your sentence. First of all you will be clear the sentence. After that every day I'll be tell that every time I'll be I'll be talk about this thing, different vocabulary and word meaning, how you can use. And I'll tell about compliment, how you can like uh, how you can speak in a fluency way, how you can attract any person by the compliment, how you can use the compliments. Because if you will be speak in English by the compliment, then you can attracted anyone, then you can flat anyone, then you can flat everyone by the English, by your English. That's it will be beneficial for you. So maybe it will be enough for today, it will be enough for this video. I'll be come soon by like I'll become soon new word with new video, with new word means and vocabulary. I'll tell you everything, I'll clear everything. So please give me some respite and give me a chance, because after that I'll be give my best. If it will be work, then I'll be give my best. So let's maybe this will be enough, because you can't understand. Because if I also try more and more and more, then I will be like, I'll be disturbed. Then how I can tell in my next video, how I can tell you everything. So maybe it will be enough. So take care guys. So I'll be tell everything in my next video, so please wait. And like I can say that everyone say that if it will be work, it will be work, then I'll be sure upload my next video on YouTube.